Welcome to our HC3S and Tilda cook-along. We're going to learn how to cook veg and rice so you can eat them to defeat them!
Hi kids, my name is Harv.
My name's Luke and we're from Tilda.
And today we shall be cooking a vegetable of the week.
Kids, can you guess the vegetable?
We can't hear you! Say it louder! Yes, you are right, it is a sweet corn. Not any sweet corn, but a shockingly scary sweet corn. I wonder what we can cook with a sweet corn. I know, maybe some shockingly scary sweet corn and rice. Let's get started. Pour 1 cup of Tilda brown and white rice. Pour 2 cups of water. Put the lid on and cook for 25 minutes. Time to prep the ingredients while the rice cooks. When I say it's time to face the heat, you say sweet corn. It's time to face the heat. Sweet corn. It's time to face the heat. Sweet corn. Okay kids, here are the ingredients. In order to prep them, I'm going to shout out, it's time to face the heat, and you say sweet corn. It's time to face the heat. Sweet corn. Great job kids. Now let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a pan and add in the spring onions. Add in the chickpeas and corn pieces. Stir, stir, stir. Add in the sweet corn. Stir, stir, stir. Time to check the rice. Wow, looks amazing. Kids, are you ready to eat them to defeat them? Add the Tilda brown and white rice. Stir, stir, stir. While it cooks, let's find out some facts about shockingly scary sweet corn and rice. Sweet corn comes in rainbow colors. Sweet corn does not grow underground like a carrot. Over 1 billion people in the world eat rice. All white rice starts as brown rice. It's time to face the heat. Sweet corn. Now we have cooked a shockingly scary sweet corn and rice. Thank you for joining in. Are you ready to